This video is going to cover the basics of adding the Hoonuit LTI to a Canvas assignment. We're also going to cover some best practices for setting up the assignment and using the Hoonuit LTI interface. To get started, you're going to want to make sure you have an available module and add a new assignment to that module by clicking the plus sign over here on the right. When greeted with this dialog box, make sure you have Assignment selected from the drop-down, and you click New Assignment here at the top. We're going to name this new assignment and hit Add Item here in the bottom right to add it to our module. Now, in order to edit the assignment, we're going to click on the name of the assignment. And then in the top right, we're going to hit the Edit Pencil. Instructions for students on how to complete the assignment can be added in this large dialog box at the top. Points can be added here. Our suggestion is that you add 1 point in this section, as Hoonuit best interacts with Canvas by leaving 1 point in this section. You can leave assignment groups alone, and just make sure that Display Grade As is set to points. Now we're going to connect the Hoonuit LTI to the Canvas assignment. Under Submission Type, click on the drop-down box and select External Tool. Then, click the Find icon here. When the dialog box loads, you're going to scroll down until you find the Hoonuit LTI. Click on the hyperlink to open the application. Once the dialog box loads, you can click at the top and drag it around on screen, and in the bottom right, you can click and resize the window. In the top left, you have a drop-down that gives you filtering options. You can search for keywords here in this box. And once you find the content that you want, you simply click the Add Content button here. Inside of the interface, you can collapse this window to get a better view of the information about the course. You can check and uncheck items within the interface. You can also remove entire sections by clicking this at the top. We suggest removing Share It. And last but not least, you can click the Submission button here when you want to add the LTI to your assignment. You can change the title and description. We suggest leaving the preset ones alone. And once you've hit Continue and hit Select here in this dialog box, you'll know that you've added the LTI because the atomiclearning.com URL will show up here in this section. Last but not least, you can add assignment dates to either a due date, when it will be available from, and if you need to assign it to specific students. We suggest leaving this box alone and just leaving it at everyone right now. Lastly, in the bottom right, you can either hit Save or Save and Publish to make this available for your students to start working on. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.